Hello friends, welcome to the lecture of the manufacturing process. So today we will discuss about the investment cost. Earlier we have discussed about so many process related to casting. So you can refer all the lectures available on the YouTube channel Engineering College Master. So today we will discuss specifically about the investment costing. So investment costing basically invented, or we can say it was used for the casting in industry process based on, also called as the lost wax casting, one of the oldest known metal forming techniques. Basically it was used before 5,000 years. Okay, originally done with the beeswax and the clay. So the simple, they have used the two different materials, the beeswax or the clay, used by the Egyptian to make the idols, jewelry, ornaments. So in 19th century, it was used for the dental application. So it's a little bit history about the investment costing. So steps those are involved in investment castings are preparing the heat disposal wax, plastic or polystyrene pattern in the die, assemble of assembly of the prepared pattern in the gating system, ceramic coat is applied, and then the refractory material named stucco is applied. So in cell casting, as we have discussed, it is applicable for the one product. Just we are preparing the outer layer of the pattern, then removing the pattern and just filling the molten pattern, you will get the final product. But in investment casting, we are using the multiple product, or you can use the same product for the number of time. Melting the pattern assembly, burning out the wax by firing for removing the traces of the pattern material. So it is very simple, like you can see in figure. First one is the pattern tree. So this pattern was made, okay, with the help of the wax. Here you can see actually this is the pattern tree, runner, spur. From that we are pouring the molten metal, wax gating system, and here we have wax pattern. Now this was placed in the ceramic slurry. So what will happen? Outer part which is covered by the ceramic slurry, and again it will solidify. So again you can see here, after removing the wax, you will get the hollow ceramic cell. So in that what we are pouring the molten metal. Same thing, we are allowing some time to solidify, and again remove the ceramic coating from the casted metal and take your product, and you can do machining if required. So it is very simple. Just we are first preparing the pattern, then we are coating that pattern with the help of ceramic slurry or we are preparing ceramic cell, then we are removing wax from that cell, and again we are pouring the molten metal because we have created the cavity inside the cell. Then after solidification you will get the final product. So this is the finished casting, as you can see in the last figure. So this is very simple concept about investment casting. Now fifth step, the metal is molten state is poured into the form shape mold, as we have discussed. When the metal solidify, the shell is removed. Okay, cutting off the unwanted part like gate, spur, pouring basin, and finally you will get the finish product as you can see in the last figure. So these are the some steps that has to be followed in the investment casting. Now here again you can see there are a number of figure is shown number of steps. Like first we have prepared the pattern. Again we have assemble all the pattern. Prepare one mold actually. Okay, then we are pouring in the ceramic slurry. Again you got the hollow cell actually. Then we are pouring molten metal to the hollow part. Okay, then after allowing some time to solidify and we break the outer material, and ultimately we will get the final product. So process is investment casting. The ceramic mold known as the investment is produced by the 3 repeating steps: coating, stuccoing, and hardening. The first step involves dipping the cluster into the slurry of the fine refractory material and then littering any excess strain off, so a uniform surface is produced. In the second step, the cluster is stuccoed and finally the coating is allowed to harden. The investment is then allowed to completely dry, which can take 16 to 48 hours. Now dewaxing actually, it is then processed turned upside down and placed in the furnace or autoclave to melt the outer vaporize the wax. So as the wax is heated, it expand and induce great stresses. In order to minimize these stresses, the wax is heated as rapidly as possible so that the surface of the wax can melt into the surface of the investment or run out of the mold, which make room for the rest of the wax to expand. So it is explained in this figure. Burnout and preheating. The mold is then subjected to burnout, which heat the mold between 870 degrees centigrade to 1095 degrees centigrade to remove any moisture and the residual wax. Sometimes this heating is also as the preheat. Pouring the investment mold is then placed cup upward into a tub filled with sand. The metal may be gravity poured, but if there are thin section in the mold, it may fill by the applying positive air pressure assisted pouring. And last is removal. The cell is hammered, media blasted, vibrated, water jetted, or chemically dissolved, sometimes with liquid used for the dissolving. The spur is cut off and recycled. The casting may then be cleaned up to remove sign of the casting process, usually by the grinding. So these are the number of steps that we have to follow. Here you can see mold for investment casting heated before pouring. Okay, so some products are made from the investment casting. You can see here we have made the turbine actually blades. Here some artificial lakes are also made with the above investment casting. The turbine blade for aerospace and the power industries. Firearm of parts such as trigger and the hammers, artificial orthopedic surgical implant and parts of artificial limbs. Okay, industrial firms, automobile components, and there are so many components which was made with the help of the investment casting. Now advantage: excellent surface finish, tight dimension tolerances, complex and intricate shape may be produced, capability to cast thin walls, low material waste, No parting line is required in this case. A wide variety of material can be cast using this method. So there is also some disadvantage, like limitation on size of the casting. So because we are using the multiple number component on this single piece, actually higher casting costs make it important to take the full advantage of the process to eliminate all machining operation. Individual pattern is required for the each casting, so this is actually increase your cost.